Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Do you remember those Pokémon cards from your childhood, perhaps tucked away in a dusty old binder? Well, it might surprise you, but the market for these collectibles has absolutely exploded, offering a fantastic opportunity to make some real money. In this video, we're going to dive deep into how you can transform your love for Pokémon into a genuine profit-making venture. Get ready to unlock the secrets of card investing and turn your hobby into cash. Before buying or selling, it's crucial to understand what makes a card truly valuable. Look for rarity symbols, consider the card's physical condition, and research popular sets or specific Pokémon. Websites like eBay's sold listings and TCG Player are your best friends for accurate pricing information. Staying informed about market trends and card releases will truly give you an edge, helping you identify those truly profitable opportunities. Finding cards to flip for profit requires a sharp eye and diverse sourcing. Beyond your local game store, check out online marketplaces, flea markets, or even garage sales. When you find a potential card, meticulously examine its condition, as even small flaws can drastically reduce its value. The goal is always to buy cards significantly below their current market value, giving you plenty of room to profit once you sell them. Once you have your valuable cards, effective selling is absolutely key. Online platforms like eBay, TCG Player, or even dedicated Facebook groups are excellent choices, but local card shows can also work well. Always take high-quality, clear photos of your cards from multiple angles and write detailed, honest descriptions. Research recent sales for similar cards to set a competitive price, ensuring you attract buyers while still making a solid profit. To truly succeed and sustain your profits, remember to always protect your investments. Use proper sleeves and top loaders for all valuable cards, as maintaining their condition is absolutely paramount. Patience is also a huge virtue here. Some cards might take time to appreciate, so don't rush into selling. Keep learning about new sets and market shifts, and with consistent effort and smart strategies, your Pokémon card collection can become a truly rewarding income source for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.